everybody. We will do a lot of graphing this semester with GeoGebra, but any graphing should always start with just being able to graph a point. There are a couple of good ways to graph points in GeoGebra, so let me show you a few of those. One thing you have is this little button that says Tools. It looks like a circle with a triangle, and you can click on that and you can see there's something that says Point. Once that's activated, you can just click on the graph and it will plot whatever point you tell it to. So I can move all over the screen and it will plot points. Then if I go back where it has the calculator symbol and click on algebra, I can see those points and I can see the values of the points listed along with it. So I have the name of the point and the value for all the points we just put in. So that's one way to do it. There could be some problems there of precision, so that if you don't land exactly where you wanted to, maybe you end up with a point not really on the place you wanted it to be. So if you notice that G, say we were going for the 0.12 and we ended up at 1.0 to 2.4. So trying to be precise means it's okay to just enter the values by hand. So let's go ahead and clear those off. So I'm going to hit on this triple line there, hit clear all, and let's not save it. So if I want to enter by hand, I put a parenthesis and 1, 3. So there's the 0.13. When I push enter, it's going to give it a name. If I don't want the name there, if I want to see the value, I can go to settings, and where it says show, I can change that to value so I can see what point I have graphed. So let's do another one. Let's say I had 2, 6, and we'll go ahead and put that up there. Let's try a couple more. Let's put in 3, 9. And let's also put in 0, -1. Okay, so we can see a bunch of points that are in there, and all I'm doing is scrolling in and out, and I can see closer up to see values, I can go farther away to see more values, and I can also push down on my mouse and that lets me move it all around. So I have lots of ways to look at the points that I put on. So I like that you have two choices where you can just click it, or that you can just algebraically write the points in yourself. Again, remember, all you have to do is go over to the settings. So I'm on D and I hit settings, and I can say change it over to the value. You can change the color. So say you want a different color. You can even change the style of the point. If you would like an X instead, you could choose that. The same thing can be done by right-clicking on the actual point. You can still go to the settings. Again, it gives you all those same choices of what do you want to do. Let's do a down-facing triangle this time and maybe do a different color so that you can see the options, that they're very quick to do. Pretty easy.